Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'll be doing a quick unboxing, testing and a review of this lightweight little compact 39-piece household toolkit made by Kinzo. So here is the Kinzo 39-piece household toolkit. I recently got this given to me for my birthday, so I thought why not do a quick review on it. It looks like a nice miniature little tidy toolkit that you might want to keep under the sink, in a cupboard, in a van, in a caravan, that sort of thing, just in case you need a few tools, you want to do a quick job and you don't have your main tools on hand. You can buy this on Amazon, so I'll leave my Amazon associate link in the description box if you're interested. So it comes in a nice tidy little black case. It's got some cellophane wrapping on it and it tells you what comes inside. There's one set of pliers, there's a tape measure, a screwdriver, a set of Allen keys, there's a utility knife, a hammer, some scissors, some smaller screwdrivers, and then there's some screwdriver bits or drill bits. So starting off with the case, it's a black plastic case, feels quite robust, not bad at all. Quite small. Let's measure it. It measures in length around 32 centimeters or just over a foot. In height it measures around 18 centimeters or about 7 inches. And the thickness is about 8 centimeters or around 3 inches. So it has a nice little carry handle and it's got 2 levers that pull to the side. And then the kit opens up. Nice little presentation kit here. A few of the things have become dislodged and moved around. We'll just put those back in place. So first impressions, I like the way that everything has the yellow on it. It's nice and bright, so it's not too difficult to find stuff when you put it down. Things get misplaced quite easily usually, especially the tape measure. So you've got a nice bright yellow tape measure. Here is a closer look at the little 3-meter tape measure that you get in the kit. It's bright yellow so you don't lose it, easy to see. It's got a little lanyard on here. It has a main button here to lock the tape measure in position when you're using it, and it's got another button on the bottom which is like a temporary hold, and then you let go, the tape measure goes back in, and then you've got the permanent lock here which locks the tape measure permanently. And the tape measure itself, as you can see, is metric only. So no imperial measurements on here, which I actually prefer because when they have both measurements on, sometimes you can get confused. So this is metric only. There's a miniature little set of Allen keys, really small, cute little set of Allen keys there. Here is the miniature set of Allen keys. 6mm key, the biggest, going down to a 1.5mm key at the bottom. Good selection of Allen keys. It's a shame there isn't some bigger ones, but there's plenty in here. There's a little hammer. So here is the hammer. It's a miniature claw hammer. Good for removing nails. Good for hammering in smaller nails. Nice little compact ham over steel tubular handle, and then you've got a rubberized handle over that. You've got a pair of scissors, nice generous sized pair of scissors. there's a little extension for your screwdriver or a drill. The screwdriver itself. Here is the screwdriver. It's rubberized, the handle, and it's got like little nodules for grip. And it comes with this extension as well. There's a utility knife. Here is the utility knife. Quite a simple, basic knife. It's got a button here. You use that to push out the blades and retract them back in again. There's like preset locking positions, and the blade can be snapped off when it's blunt to reveal a new blade. A little spanner. Here are the pliers. Quite a basic little set of pliers, but they would get you out of trouble. They've got little rubberized covers on the handles. Some screwdriver bits or drill bits, and you get a really good selection of screwdriver bits, as you can see here. Pretty much everything you need for general DIY. And there's some detailed screwdrivers as well. Here is a closer look at the 4 precision screwdrivers that you get. And the kit itself, the way that everything has been placed is quite well thought out. It's quite easy to get your hands in here and remove what you need. As you can see, every tool has a space for your finger to go. And everything fits nicely back into the kit. Okay then, so that is about it then for this video. So first impressions, I think it's a nice little compact, convenient, well thought out little toolkit. It would be great under a sink or in a caravan, that sort of thing, if you're away from where your tools are and you just need a sort of backup plan, a few little tools just in case there's an emergency or you've got to do a little bit of DIY. So I think it's very good. I think it's well thought out. It's really easy to access the tools inside, put them away, and they all stay nice and secure inside the kit. Please let me know what you think. Do you think it needs other tools in there? Do you think the selection is quite good, or do you think there's some major tools missing from this kit? Please let me know. So if you did find this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos. And as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.